Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you live today from Atlanta inside our installation center. And I've got a brand new Tesla Model Y Juniper. This customer has all kinds of personalizations and upgrades. Let's go through the build. First of all, it was a black car and he opted for T-Max satin clear PPF installed on this. So you get the PPF protection, rock chips, scratches, self-healing, all that, and you get that stealth look. Super cool. Now, once it's stealthed out, you can't possibly run on stock wheels. So down here, he's upgraded to TXL 117 fully forged wheels, and you can see this is a brushed finish. This is a brushed satin finish. This customer loved the idea of seeing that it's a CNC forged wheel. Nothing shows that off better than the brushed satin look. Now, besides getting a lightweight forged wheel, and this is a downsized to a 19-inch wheel, he also opted for our titanium lug nuts. These are the short cap titanium lug nuts, shaving off a couple more pounds of rotating and unsprung mass from the corner. To accentuate this look, you're gonna notice the calipers in there are an orange color. That's because we custom painted it. Can't have raw calipers behind these wheels. So we custom painted these orange. We've added a Tesla logo on them. Now you have this really cool contrast between the stealth on top of the black with the brushed satin metallic look, titanium in the middle for the lug nuts, and that awesome orange caliper cover. This is cool. Now let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this build? This guy's really got something special. Can't wait to see this Juniper rolling out there. And make sure you contact us. Let's talk about what we can do for you next. All right, everybody, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll be sharing more Junipers very soon.